Hi, I'm Fuzzy, and I am not an influencer. I'm just a regular girl who needs to wash her hair. So I spent money that I do not have on the highly anticipated full collection of Fenty Hair. So I waited until my hair got dirty, basically. This is what my hair looks like when I don't do anything to it for days. This is just with product in it on the first day, the day of wash, the wash day, if you will. And since wash day, which was about 4 or 5 days, since then, I haven't done it. I guess that's why it doesn't look that bad. Like, if I needed to go out somewhere, I probably would just go out like this. Maybe I'd spray a little water in it or something. Get the curls to refresh and bounce back to life. But as you can see, especially on this side, I've got some frizz. I want to turn this into something that's not dull and lifeless. I'm just kidding. My hair is not dull and lifeless. I still got some shine, but it could be better. This video is just the unboxing and swatching of all the products, as well as a wash and go. But I'll also make another video of me testing out the heat protectant. So if you want to see all of this turn into a 28-inch bust down, because my hair is quite long. Then yeah, just subscribe and I'll hit you up when that happens. Okay, without any further ado, here is the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Okay, since I am but a plebeian, I did not get the PR box for this, but I did get a regular box. Hey! Okay, looks like the regular Fenty box. Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot I got this sample. You know, I don't need this because I actually do have this, the full size. But you know, I want a little purse-sized moment. So I grabbed a little purse-sized moment. So that will be going in my purse. This stuff is going in recycling. Okay. This is the controlling type. This is the edge control. I'm actually excited for this stuff. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I like the texture. Ooh. That's how you know. That sound is how you know. Okay. Ooh. That's how the gel was like pressed into. Okay. Wait, is this not? Hang on. Okay. I lied. That is not how the gel was pressed. This is a preview. This is like to protect. Ooh, it's got the FH for Fenty Hair. Okay, so how do we? Okay. Ugh! Oh my god. Okay, perfect. Perfection. Smells good. It smells really good. Well, you can't have edge control without, this is the edge brush. It is called the side stick because, you know, we all have a side stick in our lives who she needs to, sometimes she can have her moment, but anyway. All right. Very good. Individually wrapped for not the planet. Ooh! So, this is the rat tail portion. Give yourself a part, and then here, this comb, and then this part. Ooh, ASMR. Wonder what that sounds like. Probably really nice. The controlling type. The side stick. Next, we have, this is something I've been really excited about. This is the home curl. So I've been looking for something to replace my, well, I don't need to replace it, but my Shea Moisture. She's my trusty steed. She's been through hard times with me. Okay, so again, it has the little plastic protector so that it doesn't get all messy in transit. Okay, so let's open that. Let's give that a whiff test. That is nice. That smells just like the edge control. It smells good. Okay, here's a little swatch. I didn't bring a towel, so let's okay. Oh yeah, okay. I like that. That's nice. It's going in my hair, so I don't know why I did that, but I mean, I think they do this at like Sephora and Ulta. That's nice. I feel like that would be very moisturizing. I will be back. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Here we go. So the next product is the jelly type. She real jealous. I need a gel to pair with this. Every time I do my hair, I like to do a curl defining cream / leave-in conditioner and a gel. This is what makes them hold. This is what makes them stay. This is what makes them pop. So, of course, I can't have one without the other. All right. Same thing. Protect it during transit. All right. So this is like a, the gel is like pinkish brown, actually. Ooh! These products smell really good. Hang on. I don't want to wash my hands again. But if you want, I will do a little swatch test. Okay. That looked like something. Okay. It feels like a light hold. Like this won't be like super strong. At least that's what I'm guessing. I'm excited to try this because I'm not convinced that this will be enough to hold, because I'm used to using Eco Styler, and this says stronghold though. If it's strong, she never steered me wrong, so. And that just smells so good. It's like a mature scent. Smell my fingers. Gross. Okay, I need to wash my hands. Okay, I've decided to bring a damp cloth with me. Again, this is Fenty Skin. You know, I have to have everything Fenty. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. She has all my money, and that's fine. She's got 2 kids. Like, she don't need my money, but she can have it. This is the Moisture Repair Maintenance Crew full-size bundle. So I got, all right, of course, the protective type. That's what it's called. I got the protective type. This is the heat protectant. It says 5-in-1. 5-in-1. Girl, I don't know. I'm used to using like at least 3 hair heat protectant products before I style my hair with heat. So if you're telling me this is a 5-in-1, girl, and there's like not a whole lot in here, But I also don't style my hair with heat that much. I'm scared. Oh, it was already interesting. It's got a light smell. It smells like the other stuff, but not as strong. It feels like the heat protectant leave-in that I use. So, and it smells good. It smells like the rest. We shall see. All right. Got my little wet claw, so I don't want to keep getting up. Oh my god, I love these because they are... Okay, so this is the Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo. This is in an aluminum bottle. Wait, hang on. I can't... I need... Yeah. This is an aluminum bottle. So this is fully recyclable. And then I've got the Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner. Also in an aluminum bottle. Then I have the Comeback Kid. This is a damage repair treatment, which I actually don't use stuff like this very often. So I'm excited to incorporate this into my hair care routine. It repairs, reduces breakage, conditions for smoother, shinier, and healthier looking styles. It's got these like pictures on it. These infographics, if you will. There we go. The YouTube thing. I'll leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes. You know me, I'm gonna put the, you don't know me, I'm gonna put the full 5. Oh, okay, cool. This is also... It smells sweeter than the other products. It still has that signature, I don't know what kind of smell. It's just really nice. But it's got like a sweeter scent in there for some reason, to me. Last but not least, this is the richer one. So this is the deep conditioner. I couldn't do the Fenty Hair line without getting the deep conditioner. Everyone needs a little deep conditioning sometimes. Ooh, that also smells sweet. I don't know, maybe it's the different ingredients, but like, they don't all smell the exact same. They have a similar scent. This smells like honey to me. There's like a sweet... I don't know. This is all of it. Okay, that was the unboxing and the first impressions of the Fenty Hair line. I am now going to go into the next portion of this video, which would be the wash and go, because your girl really needs one. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. This is my first time kind of putting myself out there and doing an actual like influencer style video. In my real life, a lot of people come to me for advice on like my hair stuff, makeup stuff. So, and I'm also starting to delve into fragrances now. If you guys would be interested in more videos like this, let me know in the comments. I would love suggestions too, because like we're co-creating here. So if you want to give a suggestion, I would be more than willing to take you up on that and actually make a video about what it is that you would like to see. So yes, thank you once again. And this is Fuzzy signing off.